Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to go and take a look at Volcan again. So to get to Volcan from Boquete, we traveled down the main highway back towards David and turned right at the Tupel gas station toward Puerto Rios, and then we followed the road signs all the way to Volcan. So this is not as fast as the main highway, but it's very, very scenic. So what we wanted to do is bring you Volcan because we haven't done it for a while. And just to let you know that Volcan is tucked away in the western highlands of Panama at the foot of the majestic Baru volcano, which is the charming town which we're going to visit today. Often overshadowed by its more famous neighbor Boquete, Volcan is a peaceful mountain retreat where lush landscapes, fertile farmland, and cool breezes create the perfect landscape from Panama's tropical heat. So Volcan sits in the Chiriquí province, about 40 minutes from the city of David. The town is perched at an elevation of over 4,000 feet, giving it a crisp spring-like climate year-round feel. Here, mornings begin with the mist rolling down the hillsides, while afternoons bring bright sunshine and panoramic views of green pastures and coffee farms. Nature lovers will find plenty to explore. The Volcan Baru National Park offers hiking through the cloud forest, while nearby La Amistad International Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, invites visitors into one of the most biodiverse regions in Central America. Birdwatchers flock here for the chance to spot the elusive resplendent quetzal. Volcan is often called the breadbasket of Panama, and for good reason. Thanks to its volcanic soil, the region produces much of the country's vegetables, dairy, and coffee. A visit here is not complete without sampling the local cheeses, fresh strawberries, and of course, a World Cup of world-class Panamanian coffee. On the weekends, the Volcan market buzzes with energy as farmers and artisans sell everything from organic produce to handmade crafts. It's a wonderful way to experience a community's warmth and support the local families. Volcan is not about flashy resorts, as you'll see, but instead it's about reconnecting with nature, slowing down and experiencing the beauty of Panama's highlands through the eyes of its people. If you're seeking fresh mountain air, breathtaking scenery, and the authentic cultural experiences, this hidden gem deserves a spot on your travel list. So, travel tip. Pair your trip to Volcan with a visit to Cerro Punta. It's just 20 minutes away. It's known for its lush valleys and high-altitude farms. Together, they showcase the best of Panama's mountain country. I wanted to mention the rainy season in Volcan. It's marked by frequent afternoon thunderstorms, especially in the higher elevations near Volcan Baru. And these storms can lead to rapid changes in weather conditions, including sudden cloud cover and cooler temperatures. So while the mornings start off clear, the afternoons bring increased humidity and the likelihood of heavy rains. So take your umbrella and dress appropriately in the rainy season. And I never thought, but the rainy season is actually my favorite time of year in Panama. So this flight shows the scale of Volcan Baru and the surrounding Cherokee Highlands. From up here you get a sense of the interplay between nature and agriculture, and it's a reminder of the power of volcanic landscapes to shape life and livelihoods in this region. So you notice that the drone captures details invisible from the ground, like farm patterns, streams, and crater ridges in the area. We loved exploring Volcan on this road trip and mini tour. Our goal is to share these beautiful places through our eyes so that you guys get a sense of what it's like to travel or even live here. From the stunning landscapes to the local culture, we hope this glimpse inspires you to your own Panama adventures as well.